everyone, welcome back to the Info Tech channel. In today's quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to speed up a slow computer in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Delete temporary files. First, let's delete those temporary files. Open File Explorer, type %temp% in the address bar, and press Enter. Select all files and delete them. This clears out unnecessary clutter. Step 2. Disable startup programs. Next, disable unnecessary startup programs. Right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab and disable programs you don't need at startup. This will speed up your boot time. Step 3. Uninstall unused programs. Uninstall programs you no longer use. Go to Control Panel, select Programs, then Programs and Features. Browse through the list and uninstall anything you don't need. Step 4. Update your software. Install any available updates to keep your system running smoothly. Step 5. Run a disk cleanup. Finally, run disk cleanup. Type disk cleanup in the search bar and select the drive you want to clean. This removes unnecessary files and frees up space. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you should notice a significant improvement in your computer's performance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.